Hey everybody, it's Matt Green at Glocker Real Estate. This is the next episode of In the Works. We're at 707 North Hanover Street in the borough of Pottstown. This is another rehabilitation project that's being brought to you by Find Solutions Properties. They've purchased this home. Work has been underway for a little while. I'm going to show you some of the work that's coming up on this property and give you an early introduction to some of the things that are going on. We'll talk about a couple of the challenges that needed to be overcome during this project. Again, I'm Matt Green at Glocker Real Estate. This is In the Works. Thanks for tuning in. Each one of these projects has its own challenge or its own hurdle that needs to be overcome during the rehabilitation process. Out here at 707 North Hanover Street, the challenge that we had was the old staircase leading from the sidewalk up to the front of the house. It was made out of brick and wood 4x4s, which were starting to get rotten, and actually the steps were starting to sink. So rather than try to rebuild that stuff or bring that back, it was all removed by the landscaper. And what we see here is the new framing to support the new concrete that's going to be poured for the new steps coming into the front. Again, this was a challenge that kind of crept up as the project was going. Find Solutions Properties initially thought they were going to be able to save the staircase that was coming up. Once they tore into it, they realized it couldn't be saved. It all had to go. So these are going to be new steps leading from the front sidewalk up to the front of the house. Wanted to give you a shot of this and then also give people an idea of some of the issues that creep up during construction. Okay, we're inside now, and I wanted to show you some of the design concepts that are coming into this house. They've opened up the first floor so that we're going to have a combined dining, living, and kitchen area. Floors are going to be redone with life-proof flooring. The life-proof flooring comes with a lifetime guarantee from the manufacturer. New kitchen, new appliances, new paint on the inside. And also into this home, they were able to bring in central air conditioning. So this home's going to have central air when it's all said and done. Open floor plan, new kitchen, new flooring, new paint, ceiling fans, a whole list of amenities that today's buyers want to see in a home. We don't see these types of amenities coming into many homes like this in this price range, but Find Solutions Properties has found a way to create these very affordable homes with high quality amenities. Okay, so we're in the completely remodeled bathroom. The bathroom that was in here was kind of cramped and the layout just wasn't very convenient. So this bathroom's been gutted down to the studs and redesigned by Find Solutions Properties and installed by Rory Berge. This is going to give the new owner of this property much more space and a much more convenient bathroom to work with on the first floor. This is going to be a full bath, and when it's finished, it'll have a new vanity, new lighting, and custom installed tiling in the shower surround. Okay, so it's a hot day today, and we're shooting in this house. There will be central air conditioning in this house, and I wish it was installed today, but it's not. It's too early in the construction phase. But what I wanted to show you up here was the half bath that was added to the second floor. So Find Solutions Properties is trying to create a master suite up here on the second floor or some additional living space. And in order to accommodate some of that stuff, we've added a half bathroom so that people that are using this space on the second floor won't have to travel downstairs. Again, this is newly installed. It'll be custom finished by Rory Berge. All right, so one of the bonus features out here at 707 North Hanover Street is this really nice, really big two-car garage. Find Solutions Properties has brought electric out here. We have some workbenches that were already here and some cabinetry, but if you're into cars, motorcycles, or you just want a nice house that has a nice workshop or man cave, you certainly couldn't go wrong picking 707 North Hanover Street. This is a really big garage. I like tools, I like woodworking tools, and I would love to have a garage this size to set up my woodworking shop. This is a great feature here. Great feature out here at 707 North Hanover Street. Okay, so in addition to all the other improvements, the backyard has been completely landscaped, re-landscaped. We get a lot of comments and suggestions for more backyard videos. So here we go. Here's a fully rehabbed, fully re-landscaped backyard at 707 North Hanover Street for all you Pottstown gardeners out there. Check it out. All right, this has been the latest episode of In the Works at 707 North Hanover Street. I'm Matt Green at Glocker Real Estate. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, folks, I need you to like, share, and subscribe.